How to use filters and effects on Bigo Live. Want to add some flair, fun, or a professional touch to your Bigo Live streams? Filters and effects can transform your look and enhance your content. Let's explore how to use them on your iPhone while live. First of all, open the Bigo Live app. Then start a live stream on Bigo Live. While live, look for the magic or effects icon, often a wand or star symbol, on your screen and tap on it. You'll see various categories like filters, stickers, makeup effects. Tap to apply. You'll see various categories like filters, stickers, makeup and effects. Browse through them and tap on any to apply it instantly to your live video. Experiment to find your favorites. Some effects offer intensity sliders for adjustment. To remove an effect, simply tap its icon again and look for an X symbol. Have fun transforming a stream. This is the filter button. You can also choose any before starting the live stream, like this. Filters and effects are fantastic tools to make your Bigo Live streams visually engaging. Get creative and fun. Like and subscribe for more Bigo Live customization tools.